Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM Certified 2016 Buick Enclave Convenience Group, stock number Z9628XX. Only 24,000 miles on this one owner. Clean auto check history report, crimson red in color. To be GM certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 4-year 50,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. The Enclave is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, seat 7 with a cloth interior, bucket seats in the middle row, heat and air controls to make sure everyone's comfortable. Middle row seats fold flat for additional cargo space. They also tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 3. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety, and power liftgate for convenience. Ample storage behind the third row, 60/40 split seat, folds flat easily, give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This convenience group has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Again, only 24,000 miles. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. Can even sync smartphones, Pandora, or Stitcher radio apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera displays. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. And power liftgate control. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the center console. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, auto-dimming mirror, and HomeLink transmitter. Under the hood, this Enclave has a 3.6-liter V6, 288 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway, and ready to go with new brakes and new tires. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.